All, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss a small topic in the subject mechanics of machinery. Today topics are cam and follower and it is the last part of module 2. As we know that cam is a rotating machine element which gives reciprocating or oscillating motion to the follower, and follower motion is predetermined and will be according to the shape of cam. We must be very careful while considering the pair between cam and follower. In the previous module, we have discussed cam and follower makes a higher pair because there is a line contact between cam and the follower. And it also can be expressed as an open pair because the separation of both these component is very easily require a less time and it is a simple mechanism. And since it's a simple mechanism, it is an important mechanism for modern machinery today. And the main applications of cam and follower motion are inlet and exhaust valve for a internal combustion engine, automatic attachment for machineries, paper cutting machines, spinning and weaving machine, textile machines, feedback mechanism for automated lathe. And now we will discuss what are the classification of followers. First of all, the follower will be classified according to the shape of the follower. We can go through the slide. First one is knife edge follower. In knife edge follower, you can see the end point of follower. This will be sharp edge or pointed edge. So it is known as knife edge follower. And second one, the follower end will be like roller type, so this follower is known as roller follower. If the end point or shape of follower is flat faced, then it is known as flat faced follower. And another one is sphere or spherical follower, and here these are the main classification according to shape. According to motion, the follower can be classified as reciprocating or translating follower as well as oscillating follower. Here you can see this follower will be in a oscillating flow, but here the follower will be in reciprocating type. So finally, according to axis of cam and the follower, here the axis of follower as well as cam in the same line. That's you can see the center line, the follower line and cam center line are in a same line. But here you can see that the follower and cam centers are separated by a offset distance, and this type of follower is known as offset follower. These are the basic classification of follower, and first classification is according to the shape, that is knife edge, roller, flat faced and spherical faced follower. Now we will discuss according to the motion of follower. As we have already mentioned, first one is translating or reciprocating follower. You can see the motion of follower, this will be translated up and down. And second one is oscillating follower. Here the follower will be oscillated according to the motion of cam. And another classification is we have already discussed according to the path of motion of follower. First one is if the follower path center line and the cam center line are in line, but in this case they are separated by a offset distance. First one is known as radial follower and second one is known as offset follower. These are the main classification of follower. Now we will say what are the classification of cam. Up to now we have discussed the classification of follower. Now we will study what are the basic classification of cam. Normally according to shape the cams are classified. This is the most commonly used cam shape, or it is known as disc or radial cam. Here the disc will rotate and the follower will be in reciprocating motion. So this is the disc type cam, always follow rotating motion. Here this is the second case. Here this is known as cylindrical cam, or here the cam action is provided by making a groove between a cylinder. So here the groove is provided and the follower will be reciprocate according to the motion rotation of cylinder. And third one is wedge cam. Wedge cam, in previous cases you can see that both cams are rotating and the follower follow the cam in a reciprocating motion, but here cam as well as follower follows a reciprocating motion. This is the function of wedge cam. And last one is face cam. Here the end side, face side of the cam is cut and follower is inserted into the cam. This is the last type of follower. You can see the basic classification, that is radial and cylindrical cam. Also we need to write wedge and face cam according to your own words. Now we will discuss what are the nomenclature of radial cam, or what are the important terms used in a radial cam. You can see different points, everything is mentioned in the figure. These are important, and most important points should be memorized for writing the examination, and I will explain some of them. First one is base circle or minimum radius of the cam profile. It is the lowest or minimum smallest circle that can be drawn in a cam profile is known as base circle. Trace point, it is a reference point on follower is used to generate pitch curve. It is the common point between cam profile and follower. The tracing point exists in a pitch curve. Most important thing is in knife edge follower, the knife edge represents the trace point and pitch curve corresponding to cam profile. In roller follower, the center of roller represents the tracing point. That are the important thing. In previous example we have studied what is knife edge and what is roller follower. In knife edge follower, the end point and cam are in contact, and that point is known as tracing point. In case of roller follower, the center line passing through the roller is known as trace point. I will explain it in another module because you need to draw shape of cam in the next module. And next one is pressure angle, or it can be expressed as the ratio relation between direction of follower motion and the normal to the pitch curve. This is the important term, and when the pressure angle increases, the reciprocating follower will jam in its bearing. So the pressure angle is an important term while defining or mentioning the motion of a cam as well as follower. So pressure angle is the angle between direction of follower motion and the normal to the pitch curve. Pitch point is the point on pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. This is an important term. Pitch point is on the pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. Another term is pitch circle. It is an imaginary circle drawn from center of the cam through pitch points. That is the point having maximum pressure angle. Pitch circle draws a circle through that pitch point. And pitch curve, it is the curve generated by trace point, which is already mentioned in the trace point paragraph. You can read the same. And prime circle is the smallest circle that can be drawn from center of cam and tangent to the pitch curve. So in case of knife edge follower, this is the common point between cam and knife edge position. But in case of roller follower, the circle passing through the center of roller is known as prime circle. In the previous figure you can see all these parameters and you can learn easily. Now we will discuss different motion of followers, which is an important term in this module. First one is uniform velocity motion, second one simple harmonic motion, third one uniform acceleration and retardation motion, and for last one cycloidal motion. According to these four motions, the cam is designed or drawn.